My current goal is to secure an SDR job. Secure an SDR job, get out of this customer service bullshit. And basically use this SDR job as paid education for sales, outreach, communication, business systems, and everything like that. That's short-term goal number one. Get out of my fucking customer service job, dead-end garbage, and get into sales. Still unsure where I'm going with real estate, but I still want to buy another house, at least to live in the meantime, just as a base. Maybe we'll continue with the 1 year house plan, 1 house a year plan. But it only cash flows for like $100 when you account for vacancy, capex, and maintenance. So, but the equity paid, the equity being built for free, tax advantages, pay down, passiveness, it's kind of nice. It just disrupts the whole environment of focus and routine, and kind of just being disrupted right now just gets you out of your flow and your environment. So we'll have to determine if the trade-off is worth it for the assets, the passive income. I think it is, but we'll see how that plays out. And then yeah, once I'm settled in, the next couple months, I want to have an SDR job. I want to have another house that I'll be living in. And once I'm settled in the SDR job, hitting quota, skilled, possibly move up to account executive as a closer, or completely pivot into a service business of my own, like AI automation agency. And once I have the outbound skills, see how businesses do business for outbound while I'm making good money, I'll have a lot more options. I'll have a lot more ability to buy bigger house deals because I'll have more income on paper for W-2. And yeah, I'll have actual on-the-ground business experience. And I think anytime I will ever work again, once I get this sales job, I will never work another W-2 that isn't sales. Because sales is the most valuable skill you can have. Communication, persuasion. I'm just being wasted at this customer service job. I'm only 21 though. But it's a dangerous. I'm only 21 though, it's a dangerous mindset. Because we like to get shit done. It's a weird time. This transitionary time period. Because 40K a year is not cutting it. I need something where my performance is uncapped. Because this month I'm the #1 agent on my team. What do I get for that? A high five? If I was the #1 agent on my fucking SDR team, that means money, bitch. That means hitting quota is exceeding dollars. So yeah, it just seems like the most logical next step. I think that's it.